Okay, I want to talk a little bit about lots and property lots and the design that you want to fit onto them. I know a lot of people, and I get this question asked all the time when it comes to custom homes, is should we not buy the lot first and then design something to fit the lot afterwards? And yes, that is one way of doing it, but I can tell you from many decades of experience in doing this, the real estate should become secondary. In other words, figure out what you want to live in, because we're talking about in most cases, in the majority of cases, when people are considering designing a custom home, this is the last home that they'll probably ever live in, and then it'll be inherited by family afterwards. So it's a home that is going to be lived in for decades afterwards. So you may want to start with all of the things that you most likely have already experienced in previous homes and design it into that one final home that you want to live in. And then, and only after that design is completed and you have everything in it that you want, that's when you start looking for the property to match it. It's not the other way around. Again, it can be done that way, but you'll get a far more satisfaction from design first, real estate second. And what are you going to look for when you're designing for a lot that you're going to find later? Well, it's really quite simple. You look at basic things like the area that you're going to stay in the most in a home like that is most likely going to be your living area, recreation areas that you want to have in it for having guests over, and so on. Those are the types of rooms that you take a much higher focus on. A bedroom is something really you just sleep in. So it shouldn't take a huge amount of time up or a lot of money into designing it. It should be the last. So again, when you're designing a home, do it for what you want to live in and not for what you have as a piece of